To sew the overcast and hem stitch on our stitch sampler, we must first measure and pin. We measure and pin to cover the raw edge of the fabric, which will prevent fraying, which is when the threads of the fabric come apart. On the wrong side of the fabric, measure down 1/2 inch from the top raw edge on the left and the right sides. Do this by using a ruler. Place it first on the left side, measure down 1/2 inch and make a mark. Repeat on the right side, measuring 1/2 inch down from the top raw edge and make a mark. Make sure both of your marks meet the very edge of the fabric. You will now fold on the marks, making a 1/2 inch fold at the top of the fabric. Be sure that those marks are right in the fold of the fabric. Crease like you would with a piece of paper. From the new top edge, measure down 2 inches with your ruler and make a mark on the left and the right side. Be sure again that the mark goes all the way to the edge so that you can see it when you go to fold. The mark should be 2 inches down from your new folded top edge. Again, fold down on the marks, being sure that each mark is right on the fold. This will make a 2-inch fold from the top edge, completely covering the raw edge. Crease like you would with paper. Starting on the right side of the fabric, take a pin and with the sharp end, place it at the edge of the right edge of the fabric, pushing down and being sure that you're going through all 3 layers of fabric in the very middle. Push through a small amount. Use your finger to help turn the pin under and push it back through to the wrong side of the fabric. Your first pin is now holding all 3 layers together in the very middle of all 3 layers. Repeat the process again on the left side of the fabric. Begin by placing the sharp edge at the far left edge of the fabric, placing it through all 3 layers in the very middle. Use your finger to help turn the pin under and push it back through to the wrong side of the fabric. Repeat the process again in the very middle of the fabric, ensuring that all 3 layers are captured by the pin. Push through part way. Use your finger as a guide and push back to the wrong side. Repeat the process, placing a pin on the right and left side of the middle pin to completely pin down the folded edge. You are now ready to begin the overcast stitch on the top edge or the hem stitch on the lower folded edge.